Shop Talk. Looking at a chainsaw. This came from Iowa. This is from my friend Doug. He needed a West Coast build, and I put one together for him. Decked the cylinder, ported it, did the tuned exhaust. Now these are polished pipes, as you can see on the inside there, and they are tuned. Really makes this saw come alive after you port it. And I do have those available if you need them. Just give me a call or email me. But just a tremendous saw. And we'll fire it up one more time. You want to make sure you use the decompression valve on this. It's very important. These are very high compression engine. And you can see that you really need to use that valve. Doug, I want to thank you, and I've got something a little special for you in there when you get that saw back. We appreciate your business.